a story yet untold, running through the fields where the wildflowers softly sway, chasing after laughter as the morning meets the day. Oh, the freedom in our stride, with the wind upon our face, a symphony of nature in this joyous space. Every step a memory in this fleeting golden hour. We're running wild and carefree with all of nature's power. The sun climbs higher in shadows, long and deep we reach the oceans. It's where the secrets are keep. The salty air invigorates as wishes crash on the shore. We build a castle, then tumble to the floor. Barefoot on the sand, feel the war. Sharing dreams and whispers with the ocean, just a breath. Oh, the freedom in our stride, with the wind upon our face, a symphony of nature in this joyous space. Every step a memory in this fleeting golden hour, running wild and carefree with all of nature's power. With all of nature's power. Our stride, the wind upon our face, a symphony of nature in this joyous space. Every step a memory in this fleeting golden hour, running wild and carefree with all of nature's power. As the day fades and the colors softly blend, we hold into each other close, our journey knows no end. Oh, the freedom in our stride, with the wind upon our face, a symphony of nature in this joyous space. Every step a memory in this fleeting golden hour, running wild and carefree with all of nature's power. Wild and carefree with all of nature's power.